The ESA working group of DIFI started with the objective to create our own mandate in a sense. We had to define what were the problems that we were trying to solve, find those problems, and then figure out how to solve them. We've identified the key technical challenges are not to do with the differences between ESAs and parabolics or other antennas on the IF path, the path and the challenge that DIFI itself is solving, but more on the management and control side. ESA antennas, due to their nature, are much more flexible and have many more configurations that need to be applied in order to get their full capability. And the management control channels, Open AMIP and other existing standards that are available today, are not capable of fully driving those ESA antennas. And so we have begun defining what is needed to fully drive a general ESA and how can we modify or extend those standards in order to meet them.
I think in terms of these recommendations and how they're going to improve interoperability across different vendors and systems, I think that's generally the goal when you talk about standards, and broadly with the DIFI ESA objective for any ESA manufacturer out there, even if it's a single beam ESA or if it's a multiple beam type of an ESA. We're going to end up with a set of recommendations and standards that anyone can follow, depending on regardless of whatever system they're working on, whatever network they're working on, and so it's going to provide that standards environment that gives them sort of the playbook by which they'll be able to say, if I do these things, I'll be compatible, and I won't have to worry about my system and how it's going to interface.